Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo Y22s, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. So, theme on the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher theme. You can find it in Play Store, so find it, and this is the really great minimalistic launcher with really handy interface. So here you have only your favorite apps, here you can have widgets, and here you have the search line, I don't know, alphabetical line. If you want to find application, you just need to tap your finger on this alphabetical line, and for example, if you want to find I don't know, files application, so just drag it to F button, and here you will see all apps starting with F button. Great. On the second place in our top is Smart Launcher 6. I don't know, I don't want to use it at default now. So this is the really pretty launcher with beautiful interface, with beautiful icon packs. Of course, this launcher supported any icon packs you can find in Play Store, and this launcher has story mode, news panel, like Google Now, and here you have really handy, really useful apps grouping feature. All applications grouping automatically. Of course, you can change the group of any application. For example, here you have all your games. Here you have all your scrolling, surfing applications. Here you have all media applications. Here utilities and settings. So I think it's really handy to use. And the best launcher for your device is Microsoft Launcher. I think it's really best launcher because you can set up everything here. Firstly, you have widgets panel here, and it's really handy to use. For example, here you can remove Microsoft widgets and add your favorite widgets. Edit this view, add widget, and add your favorite widgets. And here you have all your useful widgets. Here you have news. Here you have 2 lines of favorite applications. And of course, you can set up everything in launcher settings. So here you have, here you can change the home screen, dock, app drawer. You can set up gestures. For example, using 2 finger swipe up, you can open application. For example, search screen lock, overview mode. You can set up any open app drawer, for example, yes, and 2 fingers expand. Okay, apps. You can set here apps, and for example, I don't know, camera, for example, yeah. So 2 fingers swipe up. If you will swipe your with 2 fingers down, camera will open. So let's test it. And yes, it worked. So here you can set up launcher in the way you want. You can set up it, and this will be your favorite launcher because all you will do with this launcher will fast. So, and here you have wallpaper icon, and if your wallpapers, if you have tired of your wallpapers, you can just click on wallpaper icon, and wallpaper will be changed to random. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.